Here's exactly how you can find clients for free for your business. This is going to be a nice, long, in-depth video, so I hope you're ready for this. If you find value in this, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe down below. All right, let's jump into it. The first client that paid me was a restaurant, and I found them by cold calling off of Google Maps, asking when the owner was going to come in, and then walking in the door, getting a $50 check and a free slice of pizza valued at $2, making that ROI $52 for a $0 investment. So it's very possible to get your first client for free. And we've also seen this for hundreds and maybe even thousands now of our coaching clients that are able to generate clients for free. If you're really passionate about helping certain types of clients, you can find quite a few potential clients by doing cold email outreach. Exactly like what I talked about, whether it's cold call or cold email or cold DMs, doing any of those to find clients is easier, better, and cheaper than something like content creation or Facebook ads or any of that stuff. If you're just starting out, all you need to do is make a list and reach out to them via cold email, via cold call, maybe even on LinkedIn, whatever you want to do, something free like that. The first thing you need to do if you want to do this is niche down. You can't offer everything to everyone, so come up with a specific service. My first service was menu rewriting for restaurants. So it was copywriting for restaurant menus, a very specific service. And I went in and I pitched it and we sold it. If I had gone in instead and been like, hey, I'm a marketing guy, I'm able to do any marketing stuff you want, he would have said no. But because it was a very specific, hey, here's the thing I'm offering, here's the value it provides, take it or leave it, he could do just that. He could take it or leave it, and he decided to take it. After that, you should make an offer. If you pitch something to somebody, then they should know why they should work with you. The way that I like to structure my offers is I follow the 3 C's, not just in cold emails, but in everything. I start with a compliment, then I start with a case study. The case study I used from the menu rewriting, because I didn't have any experience in copywriting, was a New York Times article that talked about the power of copywriting for restaurant menus. So I told him about that. And then the call to action was telling him it was $100 and getting half upfront, $50. When it comes to various outreach methods, cold email is my favorite because it can be done from anywhere in the world. Let's say you're in India and you're trying to reach out to the United States. Normally you would have to wake up in the middle of the night to do that, to do cold calls. And people might not understand your accent, whatever, all sorts of bad things can happen, but you can write a good cold email and you could cue it to go out on America time and you can just work on your own time. And that's not just Americans and Indians, that's people in France trying to sell to the United States, people in Romania trying to sell to the United States. Wherever you are in the world, a well-written cold email will help you get more clients faster. Now, how do you make the lead list? Well, my favorite tool for that is a tool called LeadShark. So let me show you exactly how to do this. We'll start by signing into the platform. For example, let's say you wanted to offer Facebook ads to real estate. You would go through and go to industry and type real estate. And there you go, hit search. You could also pick lead location if you wanted to just sell to the United States or whatever you want. Here are the real estate companies for you. The emails are right here. I had to move them over so you don't see them because I already unlocked a bunch of these leads. And all you would do is scroll down, select some leads that you want, and scroll up to the top, hit download list, download selected leads, and make sure you select clean up the list, which will remove the LLCs, the inks, etc., and make them cold email ready. Then you download the list as an Excel, open that up, and there is your list of cold email ready leads. Notice the company name is set up perfectly. It's not Bond Real Estate Inc. It's just Bond Real Estate. It's not Global 365 Real Estate Inc. It's Global 365 Real Estate. Ready to go for cold emails with the email address right there. The great thing about LeadShark is you're only charged when an email is verified. If for some reason these people weren't in business anymore and the email didn't exist, then the verification would catch it at LeadShark and you wouldn't be charged a credit. In fact, they have a 0% bounce rate guarantee, meaning if you send an email to a lead that you paid for and it bounces, LeadShark will give you 5 leads for free for every single one that bounces. So even if the leads happen to bounce, you're getting free leads. It actually turns into a good thing for you. Now we come to the content of the email itself. What should be in this cold email? For this, you can follow the 3 C's of cold email writing: compliment, case study, call to action. And if you want to watch me write an email, I'm actually just going to cut it in. This is a best of. You want to see me write an email at hyper speed that you can use for this? Check this clip out right now. Cold email should have an engaging subject line. It should have an appropriate introduction and a personalized opening. It should have information about the post or the topic that you want, a solid call to action, and an email signature that shows that you mean business. Subject, quick question. Hey Div, huge fan of Alex Berman and love your work on the channel. I run a media site for Indians called Business Outreach Magazine, which gets X millions of views a month and would love to feature one of your videos or articles. Do you have anything you'd like to submit? Thanks, Alex Berman. That was just a clip from a cold email teardown. There are a ton of these on the YouTube channel, or if you want to watch the full teardown, we've linked it down below. After you've made the lead list and written the email, you're all set to send the emails in order to get your cold email campaigns running quickly and start making money right away. If you want to learn more about lead generation and join this community of hustlers and entrepreneurs, meet me, talk to me about growing your business every single week, then you got to join Email 10K, which you can do at email10k.com. And if you want 25 free leads from LeadShark, then go on over to leadshark.com and sign up. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to smash that like button to encourage this type of content in the future. Subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.